What is up, guys? In this next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money watching simple video games on YouTube. How interesting is that? How interesting is that? You can make up to $300 using this simple formula I'm going to show you. Okay. Now, there are so many things you don't need. You don't need credit cards, no money needed, no website, no tech skills, nothing like that. You just need yourself and your willpower. All right. You probably struggle financially, or you probably want to make some extra cash, or maybe you just enjoy watching and playing video games. That's it for you. Okay. And then this, if that is the case for you, then this is probably the most important tutorial you want to watch this year. So pay attention today, because from this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $300 watching or doing something that you like the laziest way to make money watching YouTube videos. If you're ready, let's get started. Alright, guys, so here we are. This is the easiest way to make money online, up to $300 in cash. It's a simple three-step process, guys. A three-step simple process I'm going to show you right away. And if you're going to think you're going to like this, please don't forget to smash that, to hit the subscribe button and comment there with a like, so that you may support this channel. Okay, so simple three-step process. The first step is you're going to grab a link on YouTube, okay, from a popular video game. Most likely people love to watch these video games, and I'm going to show you just how much people love watching these video games. We're going to do either Minecraft or Fortnite games. If you don't know them, I'm going to show you. Don't worry, it's a very simple process. Step 2, you're going to show them a link on shrinkme.io. Shrinkme.io is a free website. There you can shrink your link and get a special link for you, and then you can paste that link in step 3, paste that shortened link on a game forum, and voila, ka-ching, ka-ching, you got yourself some cash, guys. You got yourself some money. Let's make some money. Okay, so simple step: grab a link on YouTube, share the link on ShrinkMe, paste it again forum, ka-ching, ka-ching. Let's get to the real deal now. All right, guys, so I'm here on YouTube channel. So on YouTube, I'm just going to search for, let's do Minecraft. So if you know Minecraft game, look at this. Look at how many people watch this video. It's crazy. The first video here is 10 months ago, and 1 million people have watched. People love these video games like crazy. All right. So the last 19 hours, this game has been watched by 86,000 people. This 2 years ago, this has 6.4 million views. Oh my God, that is crazy. Okay, if you thought that was crazy, then look at this. 5.5 million views in the last 2 months. Now, that is mind-boggling. All right, so what do you want to do here? You want to come here, you want to copy the link, simple like that. Right click, copy link. Then what's the next step? Once you get your link on Minecraft games on YouTube, go to shrinkme.io. So let's hop on to shrinkme.io. I'm here on shrinkme.io. What shrinkme.io tells you: earn money, shorten URLs and earn money. As simple as that. So I come here. That before I paste my link, I want to say I'll come here and paste my link. Before I paste my link, I'll recommend that you create your account. It's very simple, the process of creating an account. Just come here and register here, and create an account with shrinkme.io. Then just paste your link here, special. Then once you paste your link, it's going to transform your link to a special link. That is the second step from our whiteboard here, is to shrink your link. Then of course, the last and the final step is to paste your link on game forums, and then you're done. So the big question is, where do I get these game forums? Simple. Don't forget you have Google. Okay. Now, once again, if you're getting some value, please don't forget to subscribe and comment with like if you think this is something for you. All right. So game forums. So you don't get game forums, I simply come to YouTube again, Google again. Simple. Just say Minecraft game forum. Simple like that. Minecraft game forums. Boom. It gives you several game forums here. So I'm just going to click on the first one, and here, Minecraft forums. Simple. So on these forums, people paste, people comment, people chat, people talk. So what we want to do is come to these forums and then contribute. Just paste your link there, contribute, tell them that this is a game. For example, you can say, I like this game, I watched it on YouTube. You can go and watch it. It's amazing. It had this, this, and this. You just paste it here, and then you comment with some short comment like that, and then you leave it. You can always comment after every maybe 2 or 3 days. Tell them that the games that you watch. Once you comment here, guys, you are done. Once you comment there, you are done. It's as simple as that. Once you comment there, guys, you are done. Now just wait for the money to flow in. Now, of course, it's not going to be easy. It's not that this process is going to make you millions of shillings in a fortnight. No, this is just some small change that you can make. You can going to make to earn some money to your pocket. But it's a simple way, just to watching videos on YouTube and then sharing the link on shrinkme.io on game forums. But you must share it first on shrinkme.io. all right, guys. So if you like this process on how to make money online in a simple way, please don't forget to comment with a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.